Well, hello and welcome. This is the second part. For the first part, check link in description.
Second kind of I am we have in Igbo, and this I am is adim. Now the way I've described it to help English speakers relate with it in the Igbo sense is that adim is the I am for describing features and qualities that are not you. Just like I said, talking about something that describes me, something about my quality, something about my physical appearance. You see, let me look for something. Talking about adjectives. When I'm dealing with adjectives that qualify me, that is adim. You see, adjectives that qualify me have to do with adim and only adim. For instance, I could say adim afọ atọ. Adim afọ atọ. Adim meaning I am, afọ meaning year, and atọ meaning 3. That is to say, I am 3 years old. Adim afọ atọ, I am 3 years old. You see. And the other examples I have for you here is adim ọcha. Talking about complexion, I am fair. Adim ọcha, I am fair. Adim oji, I am dark colored. Adim chocolate, you can be adventurous with adim and you say adim chocolate. We probably could coin a word from Igbo, but it would be so unpopular, like any word nobody knows exists in the dictionary, you see. So nobody would know what the word is for chocolate in Igbo, even though we could coin it and make it exist. And it's no use finding the word for it or trying to look it up or any of those things. So if you want to talk about other complexions that are not black and white, then you have to use the English or Hispanic or whatever name of that complexion and just say adim to it. So adim chocolate, adim ọcha, adim oji. Now we have adim ogologo. Ogologo is tall, you see. So when I say adim ogologo, I'm saying I am tall. When I say adim mkpumkpu, mkpumkpu means short. You see, short is mkpumkpu. So if I'm very brief, I could just say adim mkpumkpu. That means to say I am short. Like mkpumkpu is not just average. Mkpumkpu means short. Like you're short, not just your average. Because me, adigim mkpumkpu, I am not short. I have adim piri. Adim piri. Piri is slim, slender. Piri, you know, slim, you know, you're very slim. Adim piri. That is, I am slim. The other one is adim ibu. Adim ibu. Now, adim ibu means I am big. It doesn't mean I am fat. And this is not me trying to be polite. No, it means I am big. I am big can be I'm macho. I am big can be I'm huge, I'm a giant, you know, not just tall and slim, but tall and big. You know, I have this huge stature, you see. So that is what adimibu can be. And adimibu, yes, can also mean I'm fat, I'm big, or but it doesn't mean I'm obese. If you want to say I'm obese, you would have to add a qualifying adjective to the Igbo, which is okay. Okay means excess, you see. So when you say adim okay Igbo, it means I'm too big, I'm too large, I'm obese. But instead of saying adim Igbo, I have a better rendering for it. There's a better expression for it. It can be better said as eburum Igbo. Eburum Igbo. That is to say, I am big. The same thing we said about Adim Ibu. And you can say eburum oke Ibu, other qualifying adjective that means I'm too big, I'm too large. So any of these things, in case you're writing your dating profile in Igbo, or you want to spice things up and give somebody a mystery to solve, you write it and say, find out what it means, you know, and all of that. You can say these things in Igbo. But that is the only sense in which you can use adim to talk about features, to talk about qualities, to talk about qualifying adjectives, things that you are not, but you are. For example, nobody in this world is tall. I can't call you tall. You are not tall. But people are tall in the sense of they are tall. Now you begin to see limitations with English. You see, right? Igbo is more expressive. Igbo is more precise. Igbo is more clear. You see, less ambiguous. So when you're saying anything, you know exactly what you're saying. And in Igbo, we are surprised that all these things are just called I am in English. Hilarious. Humor me. Okay. Now, I'm just going to add an icing to the cake before I move away from adim to the last segment of what I'm going to be telling you today. And that is using adim with English. Because you see, if you notice, I didn't talk about emotions. Emotions are also expressed with adim. Like I told you, there are different kinds of I am in Igbo, and some of them are not regular. So we have the irregular kinds of I am for when you want to say I am happy, I am sad, I am, excited, I am sick, I am, those different things that have to do with emotions, feelings, and all what have you. I am hungry, I am tired. You see, we don't have irregular expressions for it. There's no irregular I am for it. So, but one shortcut that you can use is adim. And I'll show you how to use adim. I've taught this before on my channel. This is the mixed English Igbo. We have Spanglish. We have Janglish. That's Japan English. We have Inglibo. Inglibo is English Igbo mixed together. And these days, in every language, Chinglish, we have English with every language on earth. You see, and it's it is a mix that is not something to criticize or something to feel shy or shy away from. We speak Inglibo here, and it's fine. So what I'm going to be giving you is the Inglibo way of expressing feelings and emotions, and it's a shortcut, and it's done using adim. Adim. I am adim. So you can just say adim and you say what you are. You can say adim happy, adim sad, adim excited, adim tired, adim hungry, adim whatever you are that is a feeling or an adjective, adim tall, adim fair, adim 20, adim happy. Oh, I must be very happy today because I've used adim happy twice, and I am. Adim, and many other things that you are. And you can also use it to express state of health. Adim sick, adim well, adim obese, adim asthmatic, and all of that. So we move away from adim to the other kind of I am,